Effective personal budget management is fundamental for financial independence. Budgeting empowers individuals to understand their income and expenses. It provides control over financial inflows and outflows. Mastering budgeting skills aids in achieving short-term financial goals. Budgeting is also crucial for attaining long-term financial objectives. Therefore, budgeting is a key skill for overall financial well-being. Accurate income tracking is fundamental for effective budgeting. This involves recording all income sources, both regular and irregular. Sources include wages, investments, and other income streams. Comprehensive tracking provides a clear overview of available funds. This overview is essential for making informed financial decisions. Meticulous recording of all expenses is essential for effective tracking. This includes everything from small daily purchases to significant monthly payments. Comprehensive expense records provide insights into personal spending habits. Categorizing expenses allows for a detailed analysis of where money is being spent. Expense categorization facilitates the identification of areas for potential spending optimization. Budget creation involves strategically allocating income to various expense categories. Common expense categories include housing, food, and transportation. Savings should also be considered a key expense category in a budget. Spreadsheets can be used to simplify the budget allocation process. Budgeting applications offer another tool for streamlining financial planning. Effective budget allocation ensures balanced financial planning and resource management. Categorizing expenses into needs versus wants is essential for budgeting. This categorization helps distinguish between essential and discretionary spending. Needs are essential expenses required for survival and basic living. Wants are discretionary expenses that enhance lifestyle but are not essential. Differentiating needs from wants enables informed decisions on where to cut back and save. Analyzing spending habits is crucial for achieving financial goals. Spending habits reveal patterns that may hinder financial progress. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward financial improvement. Awareness enables strategic adjustments to spending behavior. Adjustments to spending promote better financial health. Improved financial health supports the achievement of long-term objectives. Reducing unnecessary spending is a key strategy for increasing savings. Avoiding impulse purchases is an effective method for reducing spending. Finding cheaper alternatives for goods and services can lead to significant savings. Reducing spending requires conscious decision-making and financial discipline. Prioritizing financial goals is essential for successful spending reduction. Defining SMART financial goals provides direction for budgeting. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These goals provide motivation for sticking to a budget. Examples include saving for a down payment or paying off debt. Regularly monitoring budget performance is essential for financial control. This involves comparing budgeted figures against actual spending. Ongoing assessment allows for timely adjustments to be made. This ensures the budget remains aligned with financial goals and changing circumstances. A budget should be flexible to accommodate life changes. Job loss is one example of a life change that requires budget adjustments. Unexpected expenses also necessitate changes to a budget. Regular budget reviews ensure continued relevance and effectiveness. Adjusting a budget helps maintain financial stability during transitions.